Hello, I'm Ethan. Miss Ainul tells us many stories. It's a story of kindness. The witch take off the fruits. We teach them to become kind.
As a leader, it is important to provide creative platforms such as professional dialogue sessions. Teachers can acquire new teaching strategies and share ideas to sustain children's curiosity about the world around them. One strategy I use is to bring stories to life through dramatization. For example, I play the character of a witch in a story I wrote and encourage the children to come up with creative solutions to teach the witch to be kind. Learning becomes fun for children and creates opportunities for decision-making and problem-solving.
We made a kindness garden with our teacher. I learned to be kind. I can share my toys and press the lift button for my neighbors.
I also take the opportunity to model behaviours and skills to support my teachers in their teaching practices. This nurtures our centre's culture when we learn, share and flourish together.
Ainul is an inspirational leader whose door is always open. She is nurturing and inspires all of us to put the children's needs first. Thank you, Ainul, and congratulations on the award.
Thank you, Miss Ainul.